I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and as you know, on YourPedia we have started the series of informative videos related to various higher education and job opportunities available in countries like Europe and North America, Canada, in all these developed countries. You know, many of the technocrats from India, they want to go and pursue their higher education in these countries with the hope of getting great future. You know, there is only one issue in this entire process. When you go to these countries, certainly you get great career. So far in my career of last many years, I have not come across a single technocrat who has gone to these countries and not got the career. कुछ ना कुछ वहां पे मिल जाता है. You survive there, you get PR also, and you start living a good life also. Only trouble is getting scholarship and spending initial money. Now, those of you who are from BTech, they want to go for master's course, they need to spend some money. When we talk about America, money is 25 lakh. When it comes to Europe, money is 15 lakh. And if you talk about MBA courses, management or business management courses, cost is very high, certainly more than 50 lakh. So what YourPedia is doing here is, YourPedia is working on those domains where with minimum spending of money, with minimum expenditure, can we get courses there and pursue good career. That is what we are trying to do here. उसके दो रास्ते हमने अडॉप्ट किए हैं. There are two ways. One is those who are doing MTech, those who have done MTech or MS in India. For them, they need to spend 1 to 1.5 lakh. That's it. And get good scholarship. Scholarship, so certainly you will get it. But I'm saying good scholarship, so that you can save money also. And our intention is that minimum 50,000 per month in Indian rupees, you save and send back home when you are doing PhD there. PhD is of 3 years. And after PhD, getting job, settling there, there's very high probability you will get that. But that also depends on how you do your PhD. So do your proper master's work and get into good scholarship. Now, good scholarship will be given to those students who have done their masters properly, those who have done some kind of skills they have enhanced, and that match the project or match the research work going on in those universities. And the right time is when you are doing your masters, then you should do reverse engineering. You should see what project is there in this university, what professor is doing, and I should try to do the similar thing. And then I drop a mail to professor, and professor gives me his agreement, and I go there and I start getting scholarship also, and I start doing my doctorate also. Those of you who are in BTech and want to go for MS or MTech courses, for them, the approach we should follow is, like, they should try to minimize their expenditure. The expenditure should be minimized. That means they should not spend 15 lakh. Their expenditure should be 5, 6, 7 lakh. They get the additional scholarship. Their fees is reduced. So something like that. So that their expenditure is minimized. And if that is happening, they should do their masters in 5 to 7 lakh in those countries. That is what YourPedia approach is. From BTech to direct PhD is very difficult in these universities, abroad universities, because for that exceptional talent is required. I'm not saying that is impossible. I mean, you can get it. Those of you who have done very good work in BTech, research papers, good CGPA, good TOEFL score, good project, they can get direct PhD also. In that case, they need not to spend anything. They can get scholarship. In India, BTech to direct PhD is easy, but abroad mein direct PhD is difficult in the sense that they expect something extraordinary from you if you are in BTech. That is the thing. I mean, the rest is okay. It's not a problem. This is how we should approach forward. Now, in today, like this particular video, I am presenting one of the opportunity for those of you who are in civil engineering, looking for career in environment science, those who have done their BTech, MTech in environment science, and looking for opportunities abroad in environment science with good scholarship. PhD in environment science, and that PhD in these countries like Germany is called basically a job. So they advertise it as a job. So I got 3 very good opportunities in this. Let me present one by one. Today, one of that I am presenting for you. So what is that opportunity? Let me now discuss with you. So PhD in environment engineering. Before I go for that, I will be discussing today about Helmholtz School of Environment Research. So those of you who want to pursue their career in environment science, this Helmholtz School for Environment Research is a very, very reputed institute where you can think of pursuing this. Before that, I've already presented you a couple of options for data science, computational science, applied statistics, etc. I've also told some opportunities related to mechatronics and robotics. These videos are already there on Yourpedia. I told kind of, expenditure and opportunities for us, how much we can save during PhD. These videos have already been made, and DAAD is a basically body which provides you scholarship in Germany and many other places where you want to pursue your higher education. What we have to do, I have told you the method, modus operandi for that, how to identify international programs. I told you how to search the international programs. So today we will discuss about environment. Those students who are MTech in environment and planning to go for PhD abroad. ये 3 यूनिवर्सिटीज जर्मन में बहुत अच्छी मेरे को लगी और अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट हेल्महोल्ट्ज. लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. PhD इंग्लिश में करेंगे, 6 सेमेस्टर 3 साल का कोर्स है, एंड यू कैन गेट डिटेल्ड हाई ग्रेड के ऊपर यू कैन गेट डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस कोर्स फर्दर. ट्यूशन फीस नहीं है. एंड when the team of Yourpedia identifies the course, हमारे दिमाग में 2 चीज होती है कि ट्यूशन फीस ना हो, कोर्स बहुत अच्छा हो, अपॉर्चुनिटीज अर्न करने की हो और स्कॉलरशिप मिले. ये क्राइटेरिया है इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. फिर से सुन लो. when Yourpedia team looks for the environment course, ऐसा नहीं है कि जर्मन में ये 3 ही एनवायरमेंट कोर्सेज हैं PhD में, लेकिन ये 3 में व्हाट इज अ स्पेशल, नो ट्यूशन फीस, 6 सेमेस्टर में हो जाएगा, इंग्लिश में है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके पास है. लेट्स सी व्हेन वी गो फॉरवर्ड. अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, हमारे पास स्कॉलरशिप है, अर्न करने का अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, और हमारा खर्चा नहीं होगा, हमें इनकम मिलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस. नाउ हेल्महोल्ट्ज हाई ग्रेड स्कॉलरशिप, हाई ग्रेड HIGRADE, that is from there they made this name, I suppose. It consists of certain things you have to acquire. Professional and other skills are required for this particular course. अब इसमें what is so special, as I told you, there is no tuition fee. आपका जो expenditure है that is 860 euro per month. Funding opportunities within the universities, yes, that is Indian students require. यहां no होना चाहिए, यहां yes होना चाहिए. अगर यहां पे yes है और यहां पे no है तो कोर्सेज बहुत आसानी से मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकें. लिसन अगेन केयरफुली. ट्यूशन फीस इज देयर, यस. फंडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी इज देयर, नो. इफ यू आर इन दैट कैटेगरी यू हैव टू स्पेंड 15 लाख 20 लाख रुपया इन कोर्स. दैट इज वेयर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स ट्राई टू एंटर एंड स्पेंड देयर 15-20 लाख रुपीज. व्हाट यूनिवर्सिटीज वी शुड फाइंड? ट्यूशन फीस नो, फंडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज यस. ये 2 चीज देखना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड देन फीस शुड बी लेस. करना क्या है? वर्कशॉप, समर स्कूल, इनमें आपको हेल्प करना है. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. नो व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर PhD? एक्सेप्शनल MS डिग्री. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सेप्शनल? मेरे हिसाब से 8.5 CGPA प्लस. यू शुड हैव 8.5 CGPA प्लस, सम रिसर्च पेपर एंड रियली गुड रिसर्च वर्क, जिसमें सॉफ्टवेयर स्किल्स हो, आपकी बाकी स्किल्स हो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. पूरा साल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आप. PhD इंडिया में कितनी बार अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? 2 बार. एक इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, समर्स में स्टार्ट होगा अगस्त में. दूसरा अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, स्टार्ट होगा जनवरी में. तो साल में 2 बार. और यहां पे पूरा साल कभी भी अप्लाई करो, डेडलाइन कोई नहीं है. ये 2 वेबसाइट हैं जो देखनी है तुम्हें. जहां पे सारा इंफॉर्मेशन पड़ा हुआ है. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, PhD कोर्स इन जर्मनी इज एडवर्टाइज्ड एज अ जॉब. इट इज नॉट अ हायर एजुकेशन कोर्स, इट इज अ जॉब. सो व्हेन आई वेंट देयर, मैंने इंग्लिश में देखा कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, तो ये आपके ऑप्शंस वहां पे आएंगे. हैव यू डन PhD? Then find the job and postdoctorate fellowship, and that is the another domain which your PDA is going to start very soon. कि जिन लोगों ने PhD कर रखा है उनको पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट फेलोशिप कहां कहां पे हैं, वो भी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. PhD पोजीशंस कहां कहां पे हैं, PhD करने के लिए कहां पे हैं, मास्टर्स पोजीशन, ग्रेजुएशन वर्क, इंटर्नशिप कहां पे है. मैंने वहां पे PhD पोजीशन देखा, तो ये एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला जिसके ऊपर अगर तुम कैपेबल हो तो तुम ज्वाइन कर सकते हो 1 सितंबर को. ऐसे मेरे को बहुत से वहां पे प्रोजेक्ट्स, अच्छे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले जहां पे इफ यू हैव डन वर्क ऑन एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ दिस वर्क, carbon and nitrogen and catchment scale and how they are affected by climate variability, change and associated variation of surface condition, numerical model approach, quantitative interpretation of observation and concept from different other than sub project, aqua diva etc. ये जितना भी लिखा हुआ है, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने एनवायरनमेंट में एमटेक किया है, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड वेदर दे नो दिस और नॉट. सी, इफ यू हैव डन समथिंग रियली गुड इन योर मास्टर्स, एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज देयर फॉर यू फॉर PhD. वेरी गुड स्कॉलरशिप. सर मैंने एमटेक में कुछ नहीं किया, बिलीव मी, इन कंट्रीज में आपको एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. मिलेगा तो स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिलेगा. एमटेक में कुछ काम किया है तभी स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगा. दैट इज द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू, जब एमटेक कर रहे हो तो कम से कम अच्छा काम कर लो, सो दैट व्हेन दे आस्क फॉर दिस थिंग, और इंटरव्यू भी होगा उसके बाद, पहला तो वो आपसे एक मोटिवेशन लेटर मांगेंगे, कवर लेटर मांगेंगे, जिसको रिसर्च प्रपोजल बोलते हैं. तो पहले तो वहां पे लिखना पड़ेगा तुमने क्या किया, यू हैव टू राइट इट, एंड देन वंस यू हैव डन दैट, देयर विल बी टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू. So that crux is, sir, I have done my research work very good. I am doing my MTech from NIT Surathkal, NIT Kurukshetra. मैंने 2 रिसर्च पेपर निकाले हैं सर, मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर स्किल सीखा है, मैंने 2 साल अच्छा काम किया है. तो ये 100% तुम्हें ये मिलेगा. Nobody can stop you from getting this scholarship. कितना सेव कर सकता हूं सर? 1 मंथ के अंदर approximately €1,000. That means 90,000 you can save. I am saying saving. That is what you can do that. Okay, now what is your task? Describe the fate of carbon and nitrogen species in groundwater at large spatial and temporal scale. Numerical simulation of transport and biogeochemical transformation in groundwater at catchment scale. Typical civil engineering environment project. इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एक स्टूडेंट, इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए they want student for PhD, right? So if you have done project related to this, then you can proceed forward. Computational science, numerical modeling, knowledge of surface transport is required, knowledge of programming language is required. Many students say, sir मैं MTech ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं, अभी क्या करना चाहिए? You know what is the trouble is? Why we do not get the career? Because there is a trend in India that when you join MTech, prepare for UPSC. Don't do MTech seriously. Prepare for UPSC. When you prepare for UPSC, you don't do MTech seriously. When you don't do MTech seriously, you don't do this. When you don't do this, MTech 2 आगे career तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा. So those of you who are seriously doing their MTech and want to get global career, please focus on this, work on these domains, so that when such projects come, you are in position to apply and you get these opportunities. What they offer is grade 13 public sector pay grade is something which is offered to you in PhD. That means a very good scholarship. नटशेल में very good scholarship. Research facility वगैरह सब मिलेगा. That is a separate thing. और आपको करना क्या है? आपको बायो इलेक्ट्रो कैलोरीमीटर को डेवलप करना है. Nothing but what you do in your masters, वो आपको डेवलप करना है. This is what is to be done. आपका प्रोफाइल ऐसा होना चाहिए. You should be मास्टर्स डिग्री in your engineering or in biotechnology or in these kind of domains. This is how it is to be done. This Helmholtz Center of Environment Research is a makkah for those technocrats who have done their masters in environment science. So this is what I wanted to present before you today, and there are so many such scholarship available. We will keep on presenting to you. It's a time for you to explore global markets. You know, there are so many universities, so many good scholarship. Let me tell you, आपको थोड़ा सा अपना horizon broad करना है, and the world is there for you. Our duty on your PDI is to make you aware about these things, to give you awareness about these things. You have to use your own judgment, you have to use your own mind, whether you want it or not. But we will keep on presenting, we will keep on telling you that these are the opportunities you can explore. I hope it helped you, and I will keep on bringing more opportunities for you in this particular direction for different domains of technology and engineering. Thank you.